Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crocheted Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. So just leave everything for now. Because today in this video we brought some unique leg warmer crochet articles. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. Crochet leg warmer offer a wide range of benefits, making them both practical and stylish. Here are some reasons why you might want to crochet or wear them. First and the main one is warmth and comfort. They provide extra warmth to your legs, especially during cooler weather or in air-conditioned environment. Fashionable. Leg warmer can be a trendy accessory adding flair to your outfit whether you are wearing jeans, leggings or skirts. Customizable design. You can crochet leg warmers in various colors, patterns and textures to match your personal style. Breathable. Unlike some synthetic material, crocheted leg warmer can be made from natural fiber like cotton or wool, which allow your skin to breathe. Stretchy and flexible. Crochet allows for elasticity, giving leg warmer a comfortable fit that moves with your body. Easy to make. With basic crochet skills, you can make leg warmer quickly and easily, even as a beginner. No saving required. Most crochet patterns for leg warmers require minimal finishing, often just weaving in the ends, which makes them less time consuming than other dye projects. Great for layering. You can wear them over leggings or underskirts, making them versatile piece for layering in different seasons. Variety of texture. Crochet allows for intricate texture patterns from simple stitches to more complex ones like cables, bubbles, or lace. Lightweight. Crochet leg warmers can be made lightweight for spring or fall, or thicker for winter, giving you a versatile option. Durable. Handmade crochet leg warmer, especially those made from high quality yarn, can last for years if properly cared for. Protect skins. They can act as a barrier between your skin and rough fabric or direct sunlight, preventing chafing or sunburns. Great for exercise. They help keep your muscles warm during activities like yoga, pilates, or dance, reducing the risk of injury. Therapeutic benefits. Some people find wearing crocheted items soothing due to the soft, tactile nature of yarn. Eco-friendly. If made from natural sustainable fibers, crochet leg warmers can be more environmentally friendly option than synthetic materials. Giftable. Crocheted leg warmer can thoughtful handmade gift for friends, family or anyone who love cozy accessories. Easy to adjust. You can crochet leg warmers to any size, ensuring a perfect fit for different body type or preferences. Budget friendly. Yarn is often inexpensive and crocheting your own leg warmer can save your money compared to buying mass-produced alternatives. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Encourages creativity. Crocheting your own leg warmer allows you to experiment with different stitches, colors and patterns. Multi-seasonal. Depending on the yarn used, leg warmer can transition across seasons. Lighter yarn work well in cooler months and thicker ones can be cozy for winter. Thank you very much for watching.